I have kittens. Kittens! It is Friday, July 17th. Yes. Because Sunday's the 19th and Monday's the 20th, so it's 17th today. Because tomorrow's the 18th. And the 18th comes after the 17th, and the 19th comes after the 18th, and 20th comes after the 19th. And Sunday comes after Friday. Saturday comes after Friday. Sunday comes after Saturday, and Monday comes after Sunday. And that's how it goes. So yes, kittens. Kittens! This is really all I have. It's kittens. All I had to talk about. Kittens, kittens, kittens. Let's take up the time. Kittens, 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 kittens. I have a puppy over here. I date her. Cat, not kitten over there. She's right there, eyeballing me and the kittens. Yeah, so Mel gets here on Sunday. Sorry, hush. Sorry, my bad. Don't hush. It's okay. Sorry. And gets here on Monday. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. So excited. Just can't. They gave me a weird look for that. What? Then we gonna put you back downstairs? They're all looking at me. Their big eyes. Yawn. Cat yawn and cats yawn and cats. They were yawning down there. You can't see, but they were yawning. They were yawning. Can you get? I think that's. So Mel, see you Sunday. Angus, see you in person on Monday, and on video. And for Jess, Jay, Tanner, whenever.